uh, Canon MAXIV, and you type here the driver download, and this one inserts the official website for you, and click here. This one is here now, no driver. Back back again and click here. Okay, this here for sport, and this here is three driver, and this here for Linux driver. Click here, and you'll see operating system. You click here. This here version operating system, and you're looking the release update. Just click here. This here the release update, and I am recommendation for package download for you. You download package for driver format. Include the driver. This here the driver for Mac, and you looking operating system version. You click here. This here for operating system for Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Mac 11 again, and this here the release update, new release update. You see here. This here the driver for printer and Wi-Fi and scanner and speed deal, and this here for Linux driver, for Windows driver. I'm sorry, this is for Windows driver, and you're looking the operating system version. You click here. This here the operating system version, and this here for Windows 11 and Mac, and Windows 8 and Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows Server again. Okay, this video you need to download driver Windows 11 and click here Windows 11 and this white loading and download package for you. This here for recommended for you download package for driver for much include the driver printer, scanner, and Wi-Fi support. And this here the print and multi-print security, and this here the driver print and scanner only, and just click here, and this here the for easy photo print editor, and this here the software and Wi-Fi software driver. And this video I am the download driver a Windows package, and I am recommendation for your download package for driver, and you click here. So I okay, this here the package driver, and this here the include for the software and driver and software. This driver, this is support for operating system requirement for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, not support Windows 7, not support Windows XP. This setup instruction tutorial, you looking the read here. This is the tutorial installing for Windows 11 and or much system operation more again. And this here the field information for Windows 11. And this here I have read and greet the themes. You click here is this here the button download show, and now click here button download not show. Okay, you click here button download show and click download. Okay, is driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put USB cable, printer for laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you click run as driver, and you click this white finish download. You click run as the driver. Driver automatic for detect the cable printer. If you installing for the Wi-Fi, you turn on the printer, you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi, you see the IP driver and you click run as driver. Driver detect automatic for the IP driver. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my video. If you need link download below this